Michelle here with Strawberry Designs, and today I'm excited to be participating in a Mother's Day swap with the Facebook group YouTube Blog Collaborators. And I'm also going to be showing you how to make a cool message board center. Stick around and I'll show you how. All right, so first of all, I have to tell you the truth. I lost the footage of me unboxing everything that I got in my box, in my gift. And I promise you that I smiled really big and I hit oohed and awed and it was all wonderful. And I really did love everything. And I thought about packing it all back up in the box and taking it out. But I had already done things with the stuff in the box. So I'm going to show you what I created with the things that I got in the box. The things I received is, first of all, I got this book by Debbie Maccomer, Sweet Tomorrows, and so that's going to be really fun to watch. I received two letters, an S and a D, and these were wood letters that I have now painted. I also received a box of magnets, super strong magnets, that look like this, and a bunch of daisies. I love daisies. And this fabric, which has strawberries all over it, and this sweet, sweet card that says, "I'm thinking of you today and hoping that this will be a good day for you. And I hope that you'll just keep having more and more good days. Get well soon." She didn't notice that, and she put, "Oh, I didn't notice this, ugh." But anyway, my gift was from Ingrid at Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, and I will leave a link to them below, so please make sure that you check them out. She has a lot of good advice on being a mom, not just a homeschooling mom, but if you're into homeschooling, then definitely that. But she also has things about being in God's Word and on being a mom as well. Anyway, she told me that she sent me the S and the D because my channel is Strawberry Designs, and she thought that I could make something with it. And this is what I made. This memo board with daisy magnets that I can put everything up on, and I want to show you how I made it. Here are my wood letters, my S and my D, and I am going to paint them. Now, I really love pink, and one of my main colors is pink. But the fabric that I got had red strawberries on it. So I kind of wanted to do a little pink and red together. So first I'm giving the S and the D just a base coat with some pink craft paint that I had. And I'm just getting it on there, just kind of messy, getting pink all over my hands too as I put this on. But just trying to get all the edges as well on my letters. And then once I have the pink on, I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. Now I'm taking some red paint and I'm just putting a little bit on it and kind of dry brushing it just so it's kind of a light coat on top, so that when you look at the letters, you kind of look twice at it and you kind of go, wait, is that red or is that pink? I can't really tell. And I forgot to mention in the intro, I also got this cool stencil in my swap box, and this stencil, it turns on the little wheel and it has different feathers and arrows and all, and it's just really cool. I'm actually just using it for texture right now, so I'm kind of being kind of messy and just moving it around just so I can get some of those lines of the feathers just to kind of texturize my letters, doing the red paint really on top of the pink here. And I'm using a sponge dauber to do this. It's the easiest way to really kind of do the stencils, and I'm really, this is sped up, but I am doing this quite quickly as I'm going through all the letters and just adding that texture to them. And now I'm going to clean up my stencil with a little bit of, with some baby wipes, and then I actually took it to the sink as well. And now I'm using a pink shimmery metallic paint, and I'm going back over again with one of the feather stencils, just kind of adding some texture with this pink metallic on top of the red, which is on top of the pink. And I really liked the final effect with all the different colors kind of mixed together, and I just think it looks really good. So here is the fabric that I got. It's so pretty. It's these strawberries on these vines, and I am not sure what I want to do with it for real forever and ever. I might make a pillow or something out of it. So I didn't want to cut it or sew it or do anything that would ruin it yet. So what I did is I took this metal memo board that I already had that I've used for some other projects in the past, and I am just putting my fabric around it using some duct tape. Now you could also use like a cookie sheet, maybe from the dollar store or something, to do the same thing to make this magnetic memo board. And on the ends here, I'm just going to fold it like a present and tape it down. If I was doing this permanently, I would use some Mod Podge to stick on the fabric to the front of the metal board and just Mod Podge underneath the fabric and then Mod Podge on top of it. But this fabric is just too cute, and I wanted to make sure that I would still have some for later if I decided that I wanted to make something else out of it. So I got these big old pieces of fabric here that I'm just folding up so that I can definitely reuse this again at another time. And that's really all I did to make the memo board, is wrapping it with the fabric and then duct taping it on the back. And then I have a nice little magnet board. Now here are the flowers that I received. So I'm pulling off the flowers from the stems, and I'm going to take my scissors and cut it off so that it'll be a little bit more flat. But because I cut it off, I want to put some hot glue there to make sure that it all sticks together. And these are the package of magnets that I received. And I'm sticking them to my scissors because one side is heavier, sticks stronger than the other side. So I want to make sure that I have the stronger side that's going to stick to my magnet board. And then I'm hot gluing some of these flowers onto the magnets, and I just think those turned out adorable. I think I want to make complete another set for my refrigerator as well. Those just turned out really, really cute. And then once my S and my D were dry, I did the same thing. I took some of these flowers and I decorated my S and D by just hot gluing them onto the letters, and I think that just gave it another element of texture and cuteness, and I just love the way this S and D turned out. But I'm not done, because I have more magnets, and I'm actually going to magnetize my S and my D and sticking them with the magnet on the back. And these magnets are strong enough to hold up that heavy wood, so that was really exciting to know that they were strong enough that I just needed one magnet each on them. And like I said, I am testing them to make sure that I'm getting the stronger side and hot gluing them on, and that's really all there was to this DIY. This is definitely something that anybody could try at home. It really didn't take that much work or that much effort. It was a lot of fun to do.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check out all the other videos that participated in this Mother's Day swap. There will be links below for the playlist. And I hope that you enjoy this message board. And if you like DIY and crafts and stuff, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for some more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Crafting away.